Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate yogurt ice cream step by step. Start by whisking 2 cups Greek yogurt with 1 cup cocoa powder and 1/2 cup sugar until smooth. Fold in 1/2 cup melted dark chocolate, then chill mixture for at least 2 hours before churning or freezing, stirring every 30 minutes to keep texture creamy. Serve garnished with chopped nuts or a drizzle of chocolate. To make this chocolate yogurt ice cream, start by measuring ingredients exactly and tasting as you go for balance. Mix cocoa and sugar into the yogurt until fully dissolved for even flavor. Melt chocolate gently and whisk it in to create a rich ribbon of flavor. Chill thoroughly before freezing so the base sets properly. During freezing, stir the mixture every 30 minutes to keep a smooth, scoopable texture throughout. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs nicely with practical food budgeting and mindful shopping. Take a look in the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Now let's get back to the video. For the best texture, whisk and chill the base before freezing, which reduces ice formation and improves mouthfeel. If you have an ice cream maker, follow its instructions. Otherwise, freeze in a shallow container and stir every 30 minutes to break up ice crystals. Fold in mix-ins at the end to retain texture and avoid melting. Let the finished ice cream soften slightly before scooping for the perfect creamy bite each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.